The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 22 for more details.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. A car bomb has been discovered in Times Square. At 6:30 p.m., police discovered a sport utility vehicle that was emitting smoke. They then discovered a bomb which was reported to be in the process of detonating. The bomb did not go off, and police proceeded to move in and then remove bomb-making materials from the vehicle. The following precautions have been taken. Times Square has been evacuated and is closed to all residents. No one is allowed in any areas in or near Times Square guarded by the police. The police are working to dismantle the bomb and remove the threat. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more details on this situation.